Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on Florida Coasters, and today's video is my spoiler-free take on Birds of Prey. Yes, that is right, you guys. My local Regal Cinemas gave me a free comic book for this movie, so that was very cool. And this movie is getting great reception, so let's hear my thoughts. Anyways, let's just get right to the good. Now, the big good thing about this movie is how good the action sequences were. Yes, that is right, you guys. They were fun. They were awesome, they were hardcore, they were big, and they were just some phenomenal action scenes. Also, without spoiling anything, some scenes in this movie look very cool, like there was one scene where Harley Quinn was walking through a prison and water was sprinkling everywhere. That was a scene that looked very cool. Also, Margot Robbie was very good in this movie, you guys. Harley Quinn's character is very cool herself. Also, they played rock music with a lot of the action sequences, which that got the action sequences hyped up. Yes, that is right, you guys. Overall, just the action in this movie is great. I mean, there are a couple of there are lots of fight scenes, both police station fight scenes were just incredible, and the good about this movie overall is just that action sequences were so fun and so cool to watch. So yeah, you guys. So now let's move on to the bad. Now first off, Zsasz was very weak and lame in this movie. While Black Mask is very cool, but however, the Birds of Prey didn't take on Black Mask. He didn't put his mask on until the final piece. Yes, that is right, you guys. They had live action scenes with side characters, but that Black Mask brought a cool army in, and then the Birds of Prey were like battling his army, but then he came, and then the Birds of Prey were fighting him, and they just sort of gave in Black Mask more fighting and screen time with his mask on. So yeah, you guys. So overall, I would give Harley Quinn Birds of Prey an A-, an 8.5 out of 10. And overall, you've got to check this one out. This is a very fun movie. So, you guys, yeah. Right, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See ya.